còn làm gì nhân viên về làm gì cái này nói ngại nhỉ hay we don't know how where to record this meeting.
Can you see the option button in the bottom of the screen? So you're supposed to see the three dot, and then once you click the three dot, then you supposed to see the recording button.
I will click the three dot. Okay. I will click three dot and then how when
Recording. Yeah. Then after that, you should see the one window, and then you need to go down to okay.
Zoom đi có đây nói mình lên là sử dụng free quyền. This maybe just the free version. So
Three button. Once you click it, then you should see the
what is the next after the three dots?
Yeah, then after that, you see the record button on the top of the
record. No, we
three
cannot
dot.
see the
okay. I mean, like in case. Yeah, then maybe we can do it next time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I will try record by myself. You know, using the I will try to record. By myself. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe then we can start. How about the we start from your introductions. Who is the one participating? Maybe Would you,
okay, so good afternoon. Today is my great honor to join this online meeting between the NIA, Mondrian AI, and the Digital Center of the Taiwan University. So in my side, we have 5 people. So in my right hand side, Mr. Thiên. You can bring your hand. Mr. Thiên is the head of Department of Information Technology of my center. Mr. Thiên.
Okay. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Next is Dr. Phương. Dr. Phương is the head of the the software development.
I see.
Software and solution development.
Okay.
Here is Mr. Nam.
Okay.
Mr. Nam is the head of integrated library system.
Okay. Head of the integration of the library system, right?
Yeah. The head of integrated library system.
Okay.
And then Mr. Hiệp. Mr. Hiệp is in charge of the international cooperation of my center.
Okay, international cooperation. Okay.
And then we also have some guests online. Mr. Đào. Mr. Đào from the university, the IT expert from University of Information Technologies.
Okay.
And Mr. Ha from the University of Education.
Okay.
And mid is from the school of foreign language.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think so far for now we have this kind of participant.
Okay. Okay. So I guess your side like 8 or 9 people is participating, right?
Yeah. And also listening, listening from.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh, thank you for for your time and your interest. And then my name is Hunjung from the Mondrian AI, based in Korea, and Seoul and Incheon. And then I'm here with Mr. Ji. Junjung, would you introduce yourself, please? 뮤트 되셨어요. 뮤트 되셨어요. 네.
Sorry. Thank you very much. Yes, my name is Unjong Ji. I'm from NIA. In NIA, I am in charge of the Information Access Center project, and with the university, the cooperation with your university, we, cooperative mood, we set up the Information Access Center in your, university. Okay. And also the main person of the center, Mr. Friend, and we know each other. And we actually this year's June, the late May and early June, we invite the was it last year you were you came here this June, Mr. Trent?
Okay. I missed. It was last year. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, we have a very good relationship with the university, and we think that this kind of a meeting with the Korean business sector and your university, make a very good, the progress in the future, and good chance to know each other about the latest trend and each other's situation. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. I guess my colleague are currently in a meeting right now. So, but we'll have the number of step from the Mondrian AI. But I guess here we have the Mr. Park Hyung-gyu, CBO of Mondrian AI. We also the Mr. Park is participating in this meeting. So, but some couple staff will join us in shortly after the meeting. Okay. Let me go through the presentation. I prepare for the presentation. Let me go through the presentation. Is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So today's agenda is the first one is the introductions to the Mondrian AI company, and then the AI platform and solution that we have, and then AI consulting and experience in Vietnam. And we will also like to understand the current status and needs of Dai Nguyen University. And then what do you want, and what's your need, and then so what will be the cooperation and action item in the future. So this is the agenda. So end of I will go through the presentations. Maybe will take 20 minutes or so. Then after that we can discuss one by one, and then exchange the opinion, and then we can suggest you can find a way to cooperate. Okay. Okay. So the Mondrian AI was established in 2018 by the KAIST, CEO and KAIST PhD graduate, and we have the around 40 staff. Most of them are the AI scientists or IT scientists, and then we have the 20 patent or IP, around 20. And then we have been chosen as the top AI company in Korea for 5 years in a row by the Korean government agency. And then this is the AI cloud, AI platform, and AI consulting. These are our business area. So let me go through one by one. So the AI platform, we have the Yenipo, Learn New AI, MonGPT. The first one is the AI platforms called Yenipo. It's a MLOps. So let me explain what is a MLOps in detail later. So it is briefly, it is a AI platform where you can develop the AI and analyze data, and you can develop AI. So this is the AI platform. Second one is the AI cloud. These days the GPU and the infrastructure is very important, right? So this is the infrastructure and the cloud data for AI. So we also did talk about this. Last not but least, the MonGPT is the generative AI platform for enterprise. So also the big innovation is happening right now using the large language model, right? So this is the generative generative AI platform for enterprise using the large language model. So we'll dive into this as well later as well. So we also work on the not only the platform, but also we deal with the infrastructure and the hardware and GPU and so on. So we can also find a way we can deliver those infrastructure very competitive price even in Korea. So as we have a lot of partner, we also can discuss about this. And the AI consulting, we helped we support many organizations for their digital transformation and AI transformations. This is one of the cases that we done with Samsung. We work with Samsung and we support them, and we make them whole system for their AI and MLOps. So, and then also we have the research center. So the AI scientists, they developed a lot of AI. So we work with many big corporations and the government organization. So one of the case that I would like to highlight is during the COVID-19. So we are the one who work with the Korean government to analyze the COVID-19 situation and the predict the situations, and then based upon those our analysis, Korean government they developed policy and the strategy. So we have also done a lot of AI development with multiple and various organizations. So let's move on to the AI platform. So when we work with the Samsung, we analyze realize that the Samsung hired very expensive data scientists and AI scientists, but they spend most of the time spending on infrastructure and the resource allocations and data handling and project management instead of the AI development. They are spending more time on those things. So we help them, and we create the AI system for them so that the data scientists of Samsung could focusing on the matter the most, which is the AI development. So this is the AI platform where it supports data scientists and AI scientists so that they can focusing on the data analysis and the AI development, as it support many has many challenging tasks like dealing with the infrastructure and handling data. Those takes a lot of time. So it helped them to focusing on the AI development. So it can covers the life cycle of the AI development from the data catalog, resource allocation, and the data analysis, and inference, and the resource monitoring, and so on. So you can think of let's say you have these students, right? Data scientists and or AI scientist students who study data and AI. They can simply go and then they can find the data, and then they can start to analyze the data and develop AI. So it helped them to develop the AI. So we work with many university in Korea. Seoul University. We work with the Seoul University and Korea University and Ina University and Gyeongnam University, and then we provide not only the AI platform, but also the AI courses. So they watch the AI courses one by one, then they go to AI platform, and then they start to code. They follow the courses one by one. So the end of the semester, they became the data scientists and the AI analysts. So we have a lot of projects with the university in Seoul, in Korea. And then also after that, the university, they, have, data and the AI competition. It's kind of like hackathon. So as it provides, a lot of features. So the university, not only the courses, but also they can learn those kind of the AI competition and data competition as well. So this is the AI platform, and then let's move on to the AI cloud. These days the GPT, it's difficult to find the GPU, and then also GPU is very expensive, and so we try to find a way to reduce the cost of the GPU by having these Airbnb model in infrastructure. Do you know what is the Airbnb, right? Airbnb is a kind of like a shared economy. So the one who has the house can borrow their house, lend their house, right? So that they can monetize using their resources, right? It's the same model. So anybody who has a GPU, any data center or individual who has a GPU and infrastructure, they can share their infrastructure. So by doing that, we can reduce cost drastically, so that although very expensive GPU like HBAC or ABAC, they can use those very expensive GPU with one cup of coffee, like cost of one cup of coffee. So I will say right now the Amazon AWS will be the most cheapest the platform that is available in right now, right? But we compare with the AWS, we can reduce cost up to 60 or 70%. So it's a great news, because in order to learn AI and develop the AI, GPU is essential. But it's very expensive these days, and it's difficult to find it, right? But we can provide infrastructure in a very cheap price. So that is one of the competitiveness of this platform. And the second one is installing the AI and then system. It could be cumbersome, and it could be tricky and challenging, right? So but without installation, just by clicking the button, then you can install the AI, and then you can start to use AI. Also, it comes with many different types of AI. So not only the large language model, but voice, image, video. You can use many types of AI using this template. So this is how it looks. It was launched early of this year, beginning of this year. So if you go to this website, learnyour.ai, then you can find this website and platform. So you can find this machine that is available, and then you can pay, and then you can click, select, and then you can this machine is becoming yours, and then after on the top of this machine, you can start to build AI, and then so you can use this AI platform. But I think in case you have your infrastructure and data center, then you can build your own AI cloud using your infrastructure. So I guess for your students in the future, you can reduce a lot of cost, and then you can provide AI infrastructure to your students, in a competitive price. So also the data center. I mean, in case you wanted to also learn AI business with us, you can also find a way to learn AI platform with us, so that you can monetize. You can learn many different types of AI, not only the text, but the image and the video and voice. And so currently, the one of AI scientists who pay 500 USD every month, but she said, I will keep using this platform, as it is the very cheap right now. So yeah, so I guess we have the competitive advantage in terms of the cost and also the feature and yeah. And then last one is the generative AI. So you have the ChatGPT, right? Then why you need generative AI for enterprise and university? Because university or enterprise, they wanted to use their own data. So actually, I'm also working with the one university in Seoul, and then they would like to implement generative AI for university and students. So generative AI platform for enterprise allow them to use their internal data. So the professor who are writing the thesis or students who are studying, they can learn and they can study using the data from the university. So this is the one idea that you can think of. So it can provide not only the chat on agent, but also it can provide the whole. It's called LLM Ops. LLM Ops. So it is management of a whole large language model. So it covers the whole life cycle from the training and the service and the creation of a service and agent and so on. So we also we can provide the whole LLMs for whole life cycle management. So this is the introduction of our company and our product and solution, and then also the let me introduce some experience that I've done with the Vietnam government and the company. So personally, I work with the various organization, public organization and the private organization in Vietnam. One the project that I've done is I work with the Ministry of Finance in Vietnam for FDI platform, which was launched by the KOICA. It was like kind of like ODA project. It was like between 5 to 6 million USD project. And then I was involved in this project. And then 2018, I also worked on the smart traffic platform project in Da Nang city. And then also I was also participate in the ASEAN public data portal in 2021. And additionally, we have the MOU partnership and the MOU with Seus company. Do you know Seus company in Da Nang? So which is called the Google in Da Nang Google. So we have the partnership with this company, Vietnam company, and signed MOU in 2013 last year. So this is the one of the analysis that I've done with the ASEAN data portal, and then how the 10 country can work together in order to exchange the data and this and that. So I learned that there is some issue with the data. I learned from the Mr. Kyung that there is some issue with the data in university in terms of data integration. So I've done 30 or 40 project, consulting project, IT project, maybe 40 IT and consulting project. And then this is one project I would like to share. And so there was 7 government organizations. They have different types of data, but they need to integrate. So I create indicator in order to analyze the current status of data. So based upon data, we conduct a survey and we collect the data. Then based upon those index and the analysis, we could analyze all the current status of each organization. So this is the analysis of the summary of analysis of Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Justice and some other organization. So this is the status of 7 organizations. Based upon that, I was able to gathers all different opinion and opinion, and then we could find the data champion for the data integration. Data integration is crucial for data transformation and AI. If each organization are using different types of data, then it will be difficult to to transform the digitalization, and then without digital transformation, and then adopting AI will be also challenging. So I have those also the experience done in Africa in 2018, and then maybe in case you have the issue with the data and the digital transformation, then I can also support you. So okay, this is the end of my presentation. So we need this will be some action item for the corporation, and AI platform, and AI education content for your university and students, and then AI cloud and for AI courses and the students, and the generative AI platform for university and administrative task and professor and students, and then DAX or AX consulting for university, and also the administrative task. Thank you for the listening, and please, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Also, it would be great if you can introduce your university, and then if you can share your needs, and then needs or issues that you would like to address.
Giờ anh em okay, thank you very much for the short presentation. I think the presentation focused on 3 main solutions. First, that is Jennifer. Jennifer is a kind of cloud, right? And then the run AI, and then the
non-new AI,
MonGPT.
MonGPT, yes.
Yeah. So, can you have some kind of application, some real example to apply this kind of software to the reality? Anh em nghe hiểu nhỉ? Nó nói gì? Không cần. Tức là nhờ thầy cô là em sẽ nói chi tiết về phần kỹ thuật của hai phần là cái Jennifer thôi. Jennifer và đấy đang ra. Jennifer thì là cái nền tảng cho chúng ta triển khai cái mô hình học máy. Thì Jennifer thì nó cấu tạo là hai phần rồi. Jennifer lab cho phép chúng ta là quản lý dữ liệu này, quản lý dữ liệu này, chúng ta quản lý tài nguyên và phân tích dữ liệu. Đấy, sau đó là những cái phần hai quan trọng hơn, đấy là cái Jennifer mà là OPS này, để cái Jennifer này cho phép chúng ta quản lý được để huấn luyện các mô hình học máy. Thì bình thường khi mà các thầy cô vào huấn luyện mô hình máy này, chúng ta sẽ áp trên các máy cá nhân, chắc cái trên các máy GPU. Sau đó chúng ta thiết lập các tham số như là thiết lập về vị trí dữ liệu này, các cái batch size này, các cái epoch này, rồi là số lượng là các cái số lượng các tham số khác. Thì sau đó là chúng ta mới thiết lập các cái tham số cấu hình đấy trên cái file IAML ấy. Đấy, sau đó chúng ta mới chạy. Thế tuy nhiên là với cái nền tảng này hoàn toàn chúng ta sẽ quản lý trên web hết, và chúng ta sẽ thiết lập là quản lý trên web để thực hiện việc có thể tối ưu các tham số mô hình, triển khai các mô hình AI này. Sau đó là chúng ta có cái giao diện để cho phép chúng ta quản lý cái tiến trình triển khai, tiến trình huấn luyện, xem là cái ví dụ như là các cái hàng nốt nó chạy đến đâu. Đấy, thì khi mà quản lý xong các cái, khi mà một mô hình AI huấn luyện xong thì chúng ta hoàn toàn có thể là giám sát nó và có thể là chạy kiểm thử các cái kết quả chia sẻ cái tài nguyên này cho tất cả các người dùng khác. Thì trên trên cái phần server này cho phép chúng ta cũng có thể quản lý tài nguyên người dùng, cho phép là nhiều người dùng chia sẻ chung tài nguyên dữ liệu với nhau, để chia sẻ các kết quả nghiên cứu với nhau. Đấy, thì đấy là cái phần framework quan trọng nhất, thì là cái phần chia sẻ quản lý tài nguyên, cái mô hình AI là cái Jennifer. Thế còn cái phần thứ hai là liên quan đến cái tài nguyên gọi là delicate GPU là của AI, thì nó giống như kiểu mô hình của Amazon hoặc là Google thôi. Tức là cho phép chúng ta hiện là thuê các cái tài nguyên tính toán để chúng ta chạy các mô hình huấn luyện. Tuy nhiên đây thì nó có một số ưu điểm giá thành, liên quan đến giá thành thì giảm rẻ hơn khoảng 6%. Và thứ hai là nó có sẵn cái môi trường, nó được cài đặt sẵn để chúng ta triển khai nhanh chóng các cái mô hình. Đấy là hai cái phần chính. Còn những cái phần liên quan đến chia sẻ tài nguyên thì có ai có nghe thêm những thông tin thì một chia sẻ. Cái Mon GPT tức là cái đấy là như nó như kiểu chat GPT. Quên, cái Mon GPT em xin nói thêm cái phần đấy, họ nói giới thiệu cái Mon GPT thì các thầy cô biết là khi triển khai các cái mô hình ngôn ngữ lớn thì chúng ta sẽ thông thường chúng ta sẽ sử dụng cái mô hình RAG hoặc argument, đúng không? Cái mô hình là thông thường là sẽ sử dụng các cái dữ liệu của cá nhân hóa để chúng ta tùy biến lại cái form để định hướng cái đầu vào của các cái mô hình lớn để đưa ra các cái kết quả nó tùy biến cho cái đơn vị. Đấy, thì cái Mon GPT này thì nó sẽ hỗ trợ chúng ta sẽ triển khai cái mô hình lớn mà có thể tùy biến được cho đến đơn vị. Yeah, we just explain to our colleagues about, briefly about what is the purpose of this kind of software. Yeah, and
so you want me to explain the purpose of this software?
No, we just explain to our colleagues.
Okay. The
Okay,
purpose of this platform. Okay. I see.
And now, can you explain? I mean, you give some specific example.
Specific
about,
example.
what it is. Yeah, one of these software. For example, like.
Okay.
Or
So
AI, how to do and.
So the first of all, in order to develop the AI, you need the infrastructure, right? The infrastructure. So let's say there is the 100 students, then this platform can split the resources like a CPU and the GPU, whatever, and split the resources, and then they can allocate each university students. And then also so that the university students, they can on the top of those infrastructure and the platform and the project, they can find the data, and then they can start to analyze the data and the data processing, and then they can start to develop the AI. So AI is machine learning, right? Students, they can conduct data analysis and developing machine learning, so that they can the end of that there will be the machine learning model, so that the machine learning model, which is AI, can predict and detect, and then so on. So also the data visualization and so on. So you can use this platform for basically for the data analysis and AI development.
Also, it means that the data, for the data we can add our own data, right?
Sure. Yeah, you can add your own data.
We input the data and allocate student.
Yeah.
And student create their own data analysis.
Yeah, exactly. So So let's say the CSV file or Excel file, you can add this data so that the students, they can find the data and then they can analyze and develop the machine learning. And then also we can add not only the data, but also we can develop the AI courses, AI lecture, so that they can watch AI lecture and course, and then they can follow. And then after that they watch, and then they can follow. So at the end of the semester, probably there will be several courses, but end of the semester they can master the data analysis and that developing AI model one by one.
Phát triển cái AI cho cái quá trình học. Thì cái này nó sẽ thiên về các cái phần thiên solar này sẽ có mấy cái phần chính liên quan đến quản lý tài nguyên, quản lý dữ liệu liên quan đến việc là bổ dữ liệu rồi là chia sẻ cái quản lý thiếu đó. Ngoài ra có cái phần đó là phần cho phép là triển khai người dùng là triển khai các cái môi trường biến cho user, cái từ user khi mà muốn là triển khai cái phần liên quan này thì có thể chọn là môi trường này, ví dụ như là chọn là CEO này, chọn Ten 5P này, đấy, tùy vào cái từng project của mình chọn cái môi trường và cài đặt cái môi trường đấy cho từng cá nhân, đấy, sau đó là thì có thể triển khai kết quả dữ liệu trên môi trường này và chia sẻ kết quả nghiên cứu này cho các người dùng khác. Thì cái này là sẽ phù hợp với chắc là cái trường đại học, các cái đơn vị nghiên cứu mà sử dụng chung dữ liệu để chia sẻ. Cái này khi mà mình có cái data center ví dụ như này hay đúng không? Đó. Thì với trường đại học em nghĩ là mua cái nền tảng phù hợp với mức này là. So when we have a data center, we can upload Jennifer.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So you can host this platform inside your data center.
Yeah.
Okay. Please. Okay. Let's say this. Yeah. So let's say this is your data center. Inside your data center, you can host this platform. So all the students inside of your university, they can access and they can use. It's a web-based program. So it is a web-based platform.
It means that we don't need to have infrastructure on our own, right? We can use so you already provide the infrastructure to study, and we just to input our data into the right, and then utilize the software to analyze the data.
Can you say it again? Like I couldn't understand the beginning of your sentence.
I mean that this is a web-based, right? Web-based program or web-based software.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we don't need to have the infrastructure, right? Infrastructure.
I guess but no. I guess you better have it because this is not cloud service. I mean, in the future we plan to offer cloud service, but this is the on-premise based web platform. So you need to have your own infrastructure first. Then after then you host this platform. So in order to I don't know, like usually for the machine learning, it doesn't require to have the GPU. So some level of the server, I think that it doesn't require very heavy infrastructure, but it need to have you need to have your own infrastructure as it is the on-premise service.
Cái nền tảng cái có hạ tầng riêng để triển khai cái phần này, triển khai cái nền tảng. Tức là như thế là chỉ cần một cái server được. Không, tất nhiên là server là có thể có đầy đủ GPU đầy đủ. Nhưng mà GPU thì mình cần nó. Không, GPU đã học máy là nó buộc phải có GPU, không có GPU thì nó chẳng ý nghĩa gì cả. Nhưng mà đây nó bảo là nó cần GPU. chắc chắn nó phải có được lưu. So we need the GPU.
Well, like if you just regarding this Yenipol, if you just wanted to do machine learning, then maybe not. Without GPU, you can do it. But if you add the GPU, yeah, it could be faster. But I guess up to this level, you don't necessarily to have it. You don't need it. But the GPU, the second one, AI Cloud, this one, yeah, you need to have the GPU, or you can just this is the web-based platform, so you don't need to have infrastructure. It's already, you can access to this platform through the Learn Your AI. This Learn Your AI. You can access this platform. So you can use it right now. So, but in case you wanna have your own platform, not cloud platform that exists right now, but you have, in case you wanted to have your own AI cloud, then yes, you need to have your infrastructure.
Anh Kiên hỏi ý là giả sử chúng tôi có cái hạ tầng có đầy đủ GPU thì có thể triển khai cái Jennifer trên cái hạ tầng đấy không, và không cần phải như răng gọi AI. Nếu ý là có mấy chuyện server thì có cần GPU để cái Jennifer. Cái này nhé, nó sẽ có hai cái là mình run AI ấy. AI thì thuê rồi, là thuê cloud rồi thì thuê đấy không cần nữa. Nhưng mà cái Jennifer đúng không? Jennifer nếu mà mình chỉ dùng cái học máy không ấy thì là không cần GPU. Học máy nó không nó so for machine learning.
Yeah.
For machine learning, so do we need to have a GPU? For
machine learning, Yenipol, maybe not. You don't need to have a GPU. Machine learning, but GPU platform, Learn Your AI, which is a GPU platform, it's better to have a GPU. But in case you just wanted to use it, not have it, right? In case just wanted to use it, then you don't need to have any infrastructure because it's a cloud-based web platform service. You can simply connect to this platform, then you can use AI. But in case you wanted to use, GPU platform for your own students within using your infrastructure, yes, you have. So let's say, I guess it would be better if you can focusing on the Yenipol AI platform first.
So if we have a GPU, so it would be better, right? Faster and faster.
Yeah. If you have a GPU, it's better. It's faster and better. Yes.
We understand.
Okay. Mr. Kien?
Yeah.
Do you have a plan for the AI courses for students?
Plan?
Do you have a plan for the AI courses in the future for your students?
Yeah. We have plan for the AI class.
Okay, data and AI class, right?
Yeah, AI class.
Yeah. Okay.
And Mr. Phương here, he's also teaching in the AI. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I see.
For the University of Information Technologies.
Okay. So, okay. So, how do you think that you are going to introduce data and AI courses in your university? When is your plan? When you are going to introduce?
I think maybe next year.
Next year. Then I guess it's better to prepare this year with something like because we can install this platform like it doesn't take that long, but it requires some preparations, probably the language, and in case you wanted to have the not only platform but also AI contents, education contents, then also it could take time to create AI contents as well.
Thì mình có thể đề xuất tức là nó là một option. Hay là mình đề xuất cái bản tử chứ mình vào mình khám phá qua để xem nào nó trước khi mà anh hỏi triển khai cái thử như nào. So our colleagues would like to know whether we can have the child version.
Trial version.
Yeah.
So you like to have the trial version. Okay. Maybe next time we can open another session, so where we can show the platform, and then you can try one by one. Yeah.
Yeah. So our colleagues will try and see how it operates in reality, and then it's easy to use and familiar with the platform.
Okay. We can do that. Please write me in email asking for the demo or trial. Okay. Then we will have the follow meeting. And then so I would like to understand also your budget and procurement. So do you have the range of a budget that you are thinking of, or what will be the process for the procurement or like a logistic? So as I mentioned, we have the IT company in Vietnam. So through that company, you can purchase the platform, and then I learned that the purchasing the product from the Korean company will be tricky. So it's a way easier for you to purchase the product from the Vietnam company. So we thought about that, and maybe there will be enough work. So please let us know if you have a specific the process for procurement or purchasement. And in case you have the the budget, maybe we can discuss a bit later. But in case you have any information that you can share, I'll be appreciated, and that we can take this information into account.
Mr. Jung, can I have a question to you?
Sure. Please go ahead.
In the process of the purchasing this kind of a platform, they need kind of a pre-training session, like some kind of invitation program or something like that, by the Mondrian AI Korea, or it's just like a simultaneously, distant learning. From Incheon to Hanoi.
Okay. Okay. Well, it depends on the situations. I as far as I know, the installation can be done online. So in case you have the server, and then as long as you can provide the endpoint, then I think that we can install the server, and then also we can provide the education in online. But it would be better if we can go there, meet them in person, and then give them the training in person. Yeah, and then also we can also discuss many other things for other things. So yeah, in case yeah, we can also visit you as well. So we can stay there, and then we can discuss you know, I also mentioned about the consulting. So, Mr. Kion, how do you think about the consulting project, like a digital transformation and you know, consulting project? How do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a very interesting program, and I think
Okay.
it's our colleagues would like to try.
Okay. Okay. So, would you maybe in case you have any needs or inquiry, then you can share right now. But in case it's difficult, then maybe you can you know, discuss internally, and then you can share what you need to be done in terms of digital transformation for your university, and then also the administrative task.
Yeah. So we will discuss in detail with our colleagues, and then we'll let you know after.
Mr. Zhang, I have one more
Yeah.
question.
Sure, please.
If you limit I mean the delivering the know-how how to handle and manage this system, if you focus only on that, then if you go there, then how many days do you need to to make knowledge transfer to the Thai Union?
Well, yeah, like we can do it through the multiple way, and then maybe you know, staying there and visiting there, you know, including some other discussions you know, for some other project. Maybe we can stay there 1 week, then we come back, and then I think that there is you know, sufficient time for, you know, knowledge transfer. But in case you need more than that, then we can do it online as well. But yeah, doing it once in person, maybe that will be yeah, that'll be a great idea.
Mr. Tran and other the very important our veteran partners there from Thai Union University. My name is Un Jongji. Again, I'm from NIA. We established the Information Access Center in the venue there, data center. Thai Union University is our partner university, so we appreciate your cooperation, and we think it's very important to have a good connection with the university, as you are managing, you are operating one of our very important IAC in Vietnam. Okay, thanks for that. And as actually, I'm not from business part. I'm from the public part, from Korean side. But as a kind of a little bit outsider of the this kind of situation, I would like to mention that I'm here in Korea. There are Mr. Chang, you know very well. You're from the Seoul University in Korea. In Korea, there are many universities. Some of them, many of them started to introduce this kind of AI-based LMS, into their school curriculum, university curriculum, and more efficient to efficiently manage all the curriculum, and to make more efficiency. So it's kind of mainstream. It become mainstream to Korean university to introduce this kind of a mechanism system. Yeah. So I think it's a good chance to try and think about like a little bit kind of a refresh upgrade it, compared to your current version of the management system. That I would like to mention.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Un Chung, very much. Actually, you have supported a lot, and thank you for the introduction about the Mondrian AI company. So that we have a very interesting meeting today, and we hope that we soon have the improvement project from NIA, so that we can implement many other projects and support our students and also our citizens in Thai Nguyen province. and
Okay.
any other, further support will be very appreciated from our university. And we hope that we can see each other in Taiwan University too.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Thank
So,
you.
yeah, thank you. So, Mr. Kian, so maybe I summarize what we discussed. Yeah. Okay. The first one, you are first of all, you are interested in the AI platform, and then you need to prepare for the AI platform next year, right? For the next maybe the next semester. When will be the next semester?
Maybe in March.
March. Okay.
Yeah.
So there will be like a 5 months or something, right? Um, do you think that you are plan to launch AI platform next semester or the one after? Or how do you think?
Yeah, if the next semester is better.
Pardon?
I mean, for us, the sooner the better. Yeah.
It's not better. Okay, okay. So you mean the next semester, right?
Yeah.
Then the 5 months to go. Then it would be better to hurry up because there will be we need to also time for the customization and then some other preparation. So it would be great if you can hurry, and then maybe we have to reach it to the contract end of this year in order to prepare for the further the platform. Maybe because it's the overseas project, then maybe it would be better if you can do have the contract within the December or something. December. Okay.
Yeah. We can discuss with our, colleagues and our
Okay.
leader so that we can,
Okay. 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 Okay.
inform,
Let us know.
because,
Let us know in case. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So then you also wanted to have the demo or trial. You wanted to have the demo and trial. So next
Yeah.
meeting, we'll have the demo and trial. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, you will discuss internally what kind of consulting you need for digital transformation. So please discuss internally and then let us know what needs to be done in terms of IT, in terms of data, in terms of AI. What kind of needs do you have? And then also, other than this AI platform, in case you are interested in AI cloud and the LLM, as the Mr. Unjong mentioned, in case you also interested in those solutions, then please also let us know. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's what we discussed today, right?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think that's enough for today. We just know more about the, software, and we will discuss with our colleagues and let you know soon.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time and interest and effort. Then I will talk to you next time then. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. Trent and other friends there. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Lại thì cái này nó cũng là một cái bây giờ mình thử